In this video, I'm going to show you how I restyled this wig, taking it from this which you see here to this which you see right now. If you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to do is to blow dry the hair, and I use my hairbrush to brush through the hair while I just go through the hair with that hand dryer. So after I'm done blow drying the hair, what I'm going to do next is this section of the upper part of the hair and clip it away from one side over to the other side. Just twist it up there, clip it securely, and do the same thing on this side over here. After I've finished clipping away the upper part of the hair, I'm going to moisturize the hair using my Moroccan argan growth oil. Very small quantity, please. Do not over moisturize your hair so that it doesn't become greasy or become too oily. So I sprayed my heat protectant spray on the hair, and now I'm trying to figure out what style I want to do. Do I want to curl this hair or do I want to straighten it? I tried curling it, but man, that curl wasn't giving anything I wanted it to give. So I just tried to straighten it back. But it was kind of difficult to get it to be straight again because it's a large section of hair. So I said, let's just clip away that part of the hair. And then I went in with my coiling wand to start straightening the hair and sort of bobbing it inwards, because man, I didn't know how to style this week. I was trying to figure out what do you want to do it this week, but I said, okay, let's just straighten it and bob it towards the bottom part. Though initially I think I wanted to coil it a bit. I actually wanted to coil it, but the coil wasn't. It didn't seem like something I was going to be appealing at this point in time because so I decided to just go in with a hair straightener and straighten it and then bob it towards the bottom part of the wig. I was being very lazy here. I would have used my hair straightener, though the coiling one can also help you in styling your wig. If you're somebody that already has a coiling wand, yes, this tutorial is your okay to use your coiling wand to actually straighten your wig and then bob it towards the bottom part, or just use it to straighten the wig and leave it as it is. So I straightened the bob it towards the bottom part, and I reached back for hair that I had clipped away at the up parts and took some portion of the hair and clipped away the rest of it, and took from the other side and also clipped away the rest of it. And then this small section of hair, I'm going to moisturize it with my Moroccan argan oil serum, and then spray my heat protectant spray on it, and then I would start the process of styling it just the same way I had styled the other one that looks fresh at the bottom area. So I'm just going to take away this up part here, clip it away, and start styling the smaller section, because we like to walk in very small sections right here in this our community, because of course we're not rushing to get our wig styled. We are trying as much as possible to ensure that our wigs are styled to perfection. Though of course there's no such thing as perfect, because what Mr. A likes or how Mr. A likes his wig to look might not be how Mrs. B likes her wig to look. So just style it the best that you can at that particular point in time. So I just went on with the process of styling the wig, and when I finish styling one particular section of the hair, I move over to another section, I comb through it, and then I use my coiling wand, straighten the hair, and then bob it towards the bottom part. And I move on to another side and continue the same process over and over again. So I'm going to repeat the same thing until I get towards the up part, which is like the frontal area. And I'm going to moisturize the frontal area with my Moroccan argan oil serum, comb through the hair, and head over to the other side of the hair that is clipped away, and also moisturize it, brush it to sort of detangle the hair and get it to look smooth. Also apply that Moroccan argan oil serum and spray my heat protectant spray to that section of hair that is right there, and then I'm going to start cutting the hair in small sections to start the process of styling it. You would notice that right about now that I'm using my hair straightener, and with the hair straightener you can see the heat, the steam that just comes out of the hair. That just tells you that the hair straightener really does a very good job of being very hot and getting the hair to be very, very straight. So if you are on the fence on if to use a hair straightener or a coiling wand when you're trying to straighten your hair and achieve a bob look, the hair straightener is actually more effective, but the coiling wand is just an easier way to achieve a bob without stressing about how to get it to fall into a bob. With the coiling wand, it just naturally falls into a bob. But with a hair straightener, you have to direct the hair to fall into a bob. So after straightening, I use the coiling wand to sort of lay the flyaway hairs at the upper part of the weft, and then I go back in, take another section of the hair, straighten it, come through it while I straighten it, and then I change direction and also lay it to fall back with the rest of the other hair on the right side. So I'm going to keep on doing this, and then I'll move over to the left side to start styling the hair on the left side of the wig. If you're watching this video so far and you're getting value out of it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. Send this video to that girl that wears her wigs without styling it. Day in, day out, she's wearing that mess on her head without thinking about maintaining that wig. Please send this video to her, because you can't be investing money buying wigs and not maintaining your wigs. You can't do that. You can't wear your wig for 2 months straight or 3 months straight without washing it. That's very wrong, please. So what I'm doing now is to create the part, and I'm trying to style this wig as a C part. I just use the tail end of that comb to help me achieve the C part, and then I comb through the hair to just see how it looks, and then I go back in with that tail end of the comb to just further define the C on the front part of the wig. I have an in-depth tutorial on how to achieve a C part on my YouTube channel, so please search my hair business tutorials or my hair playlist to see. I have over 100 videos related to hair, so please go over there and watch me do it. So I'm just trying to ensure that I have hair covering the wefts. I have hair from the frontal covering the weft, so that you don't want to find yourself in a situation whereby you style your wig and then your weft, where your weft starts from, is still showing. Hair from your frontal has to cover the weft. Hair from your closure has to cover where the weft starts from. That's the reason why I'm just being very particular about combing through to ensure that everything is well covered. And then I'm using my coiling wand to just make sure everything falls in place and looks really, really nice. So I comb through the hair, flatten, comb through the hair, flatten, comb through the hair, flatten. And this is how the wig is looking right now. I'm still going to style it a little bit more because I'm not yet pleased with how it looks. So after I defined that C part a little bit more, I just went back into the part of the wig to flatten it a little bit more. If you're watching this video so far and you haven't bought our ebooks, please check the links in the description box on how you can purchase our ebooks. Our how to start your hair business ebook and hair extensions and how to test its quality. These ebooks are very essential if you're somebody in hair business, or if you're somebody who just likes to buy hair, you want to know about the various hair qualities, you want to just know about hair extensions, you want to know everything you need to know about hair, please just go check out these ebooks. This is what we started with, and this is what we ended up restyling the wig to be. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, people would have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love.